Hi guys, what's up? How you guys doing? So today I'm just gonna be doing like a mini vlog for you guys. I'm going out now to shoot with my friend Sophie, and I decided to take you guys along with me. Like I want you guys to see what it's like to be shooting, like what a typical shoot day is like for me. So yeah, I decided to just take you guys along with me. Right now I'm dressed up and I'm ready to leave the house. I'm just waiting for my bus. So this is my my makeup look, looking very nice and simple. I know I'm not the only one that does this. I shoot multiple outfits at once. So I do like maybe like minimum of 3 and a maximum of like 6 or 7 outfits at once. So yeah, I'm carrying a lot of like I don't even know what I was going to do myself because I have my toast bag, I have my box, and I have this extra jacket that's just like with me, bro. And I'm taking the train and the bus. It's gonna be a wild one still, but we move. Anyway, guys, come with me before I miss my bus. I'm actually vlogging.
Are you? Oh.
Where's the load? Oh, yeah. Alright. Alright then. Look good. Where's the lashes?
Is this on my back?
No one says it's somewhere back. Oh my god, I haven't been in the underground since. I haven't been in the underground since. God knows when. Oh, look at my hair. I didn't use gel or glue or anything. No, don't worry, there's a tutorial coming through. You know, I'm gonna see my tutorials. Hello. Oh my god, it feels so good being in the underground for some reason. Like, I haven't been in the underground in ages. Like, I've literally been a homebody. I know they pass my house and the grocery store. That's it. That's it. Oh, my oyster, my oyster. Oh, Wagamama, I miss you. I cannot wait to see you. Your wags. I believe they do deliveries, no?
If I want to sit down.
Like, I literally want to sit down and just eat. What do I do? What?
Don't cast me like that now. Come on.
No, what am I supposed to do with this?
Come on.
What,
I was
what are you giving me?
rushing. All right now.
This is our Lord. Life of content creators. Life of Instagrammers. Hello. Yo guys, look at this view. No, it's mad. It's mad, isn't it? Oh my god, my phonetics is just jamming back to back. Just take a look. Live.
Views for me.
He's the views for me.
Is the views for me.
He's the hang loose for me.
Is the eyelashes for me.
Sophie, please let's talk. Let's get the angles right. Because I cannot be flaunting these views. And the angles will not be mad.
Nah,
If not, I'm gonna beast you up.
possible.
Are you hearing me? Look here. I'm gonna beast you. I said, look here, why you pose your day? So are you okay? Look, you're really going to be
Naija, what are you doing inside the
I'm
lift?
over my chocolate. Please cover me.
Life of a content creator.
Oh my god. So
Changing inside the lift.
So you We're now on the final look. Please, can you press number 1, please? There, thank you. We're now
Guys,
on
I'm
the
starving.
final look.
I'm starving. What's the time? 3, 2?
I think it's like 3-ish. Yeah, it's 20 minutes to 3. How many girls look at me on my Ludo. Hey, hello, where's the sun? I was actually looking for the sun. Guys, shop my glasses. It's from Unoya. Link in the description bar below. Shop my earrings as well. It's from Muses. Alright, final look. We're done. We're almost done. I'm so tired. I'm hungry. Sorry, how many clothes? Six outfits later.
I did 4.
Okay, come what's your hand from my screen, dear? 6 outfits later. I'm tired. You guys better like my pictures on Instagram and make sure my pictures blow. If not, I'm gonna block all of you. No, I'm not. I'm joking. That was a very big joke. A very fat joke. Ooh, sorry.
breakfast.
Oh, sorry. Is the melanin for me? Are you blinded? Sorry. Is it sorry.
What?
Are you blinded yet? Is it blinding you?
Oh, look, you.
This is like golden hour sun. If we miss it, that's the end. So let's get to it. Done. Shoot day done and dusted. Now to go and find some food to eat and relax
3 hours.
ourselves. Bro, we started by 12ish, like 12 past 12.
3:22 now.
Wow, literally took 3 hours.
No, but
To
the
be honest,
content, they're mad.
yeah.
They're fire.
Yeah, if you're not following me on Instagram, check it. You're gonna see it there. Yeah, and we actually took our time as well. Like we were taking so long. We literally relaxed. Yeah, like we got everything that we wanted. We took our time with the pictures, the videos, you know, all of them stuff right there. And you know, since discovering this amazing location,
Since discovering Dubai, Burj Khalifa.
anyway, it's open for all, it's free for all, anyone can come here. It's like a public space where everyone can come to and no one will disturb you. No problem at all. Guys, are you feeling my glow? Were you feeling it as I was? You too, you felt it. It's shock. It's shock. Oh my god, my arms are hurting so bad. Oh, hero. I need to start limiting my shoes to like 3 outfits or something, because
I don't think
shut up.
knowing you, you're going to be.
Fam, I know about 3 or 4 though. I know about 3 or 4.
To kill 7 birds.
Yeah. I know about 3 or 4 on a normal day, but today it's like I have so many outfits coming, so I was just like, you know what? Why not, right? Yeah. Oh, is this skin for me? Oh, is this skin for me? Is this skin for
The
me?
glow for me.
He's a revolution highlighter for me.
The forehead for me.
Revolution. Anybody from Revolution, if you're watching this right now, I just gave you free advertisements. Sponsor your girl in it. I'll be seeing you in my DMs or my emails. Wink, wink. What's wrong with this one? You are very rude. Sure, you know that you are a rude one.
I'm a cute one still. Ah, their father. And one more.
And one more boy, you complete. She wanna fuck with a woo. When you ready to push, she like the way I am. When you ready to push, she like the way I am.
When the rain falls, like the
Fam, tired is not the word to describe what I feel right now, but look at my hair, still laid. Still laid. You're gonna see the tutorial. It's nice, isn't it? Thank you very much. Sorry. He's the melanin for me. Like, I'm really feeling myself today so bad. He's a madness. Let me set my camera down. It will. Okay, looks like that's not gonna work. All right, this works. The train is here. The rain is cold.
The food is ready.
My rice is going to collapse. I can't believe my rice is collapsing already. What? Hello, what's going on here? Guys, we forgot to actually make an outro video for this vlog because we were so exhausted, like we're extremely tired. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.